Slow English Podcast. Hi, James. It's so nice to see you again.
Hey, Sarah. Wow, it's been ages. How have you been?
I've been okay. A little busy with work and life, you know.
I totally get that. Things have been crazy on my side, too.
Really? What have you been up to lately?
Well, I started a new job a few months ago.
Oh, that's great. What are you doing now?
I'm working as a graphic designer for a marketing company.
That sounds fun. Do you enjoy it?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I get to be creative every day.
Nice. Are you working from home or at the office?
Mostly from home, but sometimes I go to the office for meetings.
That's a good balance. I wish I could work from home sometimes.
What about you? Are you still teaching English?
Yes, I am. I teach online now, which is much more flexible.
Oh, that's awesome! Do you like online teaching?
I do. My students are from different countries, so it's interesting.
That must be cool. Learning about different cultures while you teach.
Exactly. Sometimes I even learn new words in other languages.
That's amazing. You've always been good with languages?
Thanks, James. By the way, do you still play the guitar?
Not as much as I used to, but I still play sometimes on weekends.
You should play something for me one day.
Sure. Maybe when we meet for coffee.
That would be great. We haven't had coffee together in so long.
Yeah, I miss our Saturday morning talks.
Me too. Do you still go to that cafe downtown?
The one near the park? Yeah, it's still my favorite spot.
Perfect. Let's meet there this weekend.
Sounds good. Saturday morning?
Saturday morning works for me. Around 10.
10 is perfect. I'll bring my guitar too.
Awesome! I can't wait to hear you play again.
Deal. Oh, and maybe we can take a walk in the park after coffee.
That sounds lovely. The weather should be nice.
Great. It'll be good to relax and catch up properly.
Yes, we both need that.
All right, it's a plan then. See you Saturday, Sarah.
See you, James. Take care until then.
You too. Bye.